Hello! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add image in Evernote. Pretty simple. The first thing I'd like you to do is launch your Evernote web application, which of course I have done right here. Next one is how can you create an account on Evernote? Very simple. Launch in the browser of your choice and locate the search bar. In the search bar of your browser, go ahead and type evernote.com, and that's going to take you to the official website for Evernote. Once you get into the website, the next thing that you have to do is to follow through the on-screen prompt to either sign in by using an existing account or sign up by creating a new account. Now, once you're done and you sign in or you sign up successfully, it's going to take you to this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in Evernote. So not only let's hop into today's text, which is how to add image in Evernote. From your homepage, navigate to the left corner of your screen where you're going to find Home, Notes, Tags, Calendar. Go ahead and click on Notes for you to access your notes. Okay, so this is a note I'm working on, My Journey, and this is going to click on My Journey and it opens up. So right here, click on the notes, and after clicking on the notes, you're going to check the top corner right here where you have a couple icons. Go ahead and click on this plus icon that has Insert as its label. You're going to find a couple more options: tags, calendar event, link, not link, table, divider, attachment, image, checkbox, audio recording, code log, sketch, and Google Drive. Go ahead and click on image because it's an image that we want to add, right? Heading over to pictures or downloads. So let's say this is the image I want to work on. Select open, and it's being attached. Awesome. So this is my image. I really love this quote, right? Of all the gifts, the only one that affects your faith is the gift of tongues. I pretty love it. So this is it. This is pretty much the process. So this is exactly how you can add image in Evernote. You can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped you search.